What if you could make over $100 a day selling stickers you designed with AI and printed from home? That's exactly what I do. And in this channel, I'm going to show you how. My name's Jen, and I run an Etsy sticker shop that has made over $40,000 in 8 months, with over 7,000 sales and 1,400 5-star reviews. I design everything using AI tools. I don't have a design degree. I just started this with equipment I already owned. On this channel, I walk you through my exact process, step by step, word for word, and tool by tool. You're going to see how I use AI to design stickers from scratch, how I print and cut them using my Cricut, and how I list and sell them on Etsy, so they keep selling even when I'm not working. Whether you've never made a sticker in your life or you already have a Cricut collecting dust in the corner, this channel is for you. You don't need to know how to draw. You don't need Photoshop or Procreate. You just need a system, and I'm going to give you mine. I post new videos every week, tutorials, tool walkthroughs, Etsy tips, and real income updates. If you want to build a sticker business that actually makes money, hit subscribe and let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.